Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Today, we're going to learn how to talk about hobbies in English.
By the way, I am Imli.
And I am Alex.
In this video, you will learn simple and useful English sentences.
These sentences will help you talk about your hobbies confidently.
Today, we are sitting in a cozy cafe.
Yes, it is a perfect place to relax and talk.
We just finished our work.
Now we are enjoying some free time.
So let's talk about hobbies.
That sounds interesting.
Alex, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books.
That sounds nice. What kind of books do you read?
I prefer motivational and self-development books.
Do you read every day?
Yes, I try to read at least 20 minutes daily. What about you, Emily? What is your hobby?
I love painting.
That is creative. When did you start painting?
I started when I was a child.
Do you paint regularly?
Yes, I paint whenever I feel relaxed. Do hobbies help you reduce stress?
Yes, they help me feel calm and focused.
That is true. Do you prefer outdoor hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy cycling in the morning.
That sounds refreshing. It makes me feel energetic. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play badminton on weekends.
Do you play with friends?
Yes, we play together in the park. Do you watch movies as a hobby?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies.
What type of movies do you like?
I like comedy and romantic movies. Do you learn new skills in your free time?
Yes, I like learning new things online.
What are you learning these days?
I am learning photography. Do hobbies make life more interesting?
Yes, they add happiness to life. Do you prefer indoor or outdoor hobbies?
I prefer both.
That is good.
Do you share your hobbies with others?
Yes, I sometimes show my paintings.
That is wonderful.
Do hobbies improve your skills?
Yes, they improve creativity and focus.
How much time do you spend on your hobbies?
I spend about 1 hour daily.
Do you think everyone should have a hobby?
Yes, it is very important.
Now, let's understand some important sentences. Sentence 1. What do you like to do in your free time? Meaning, you ask someone about a hobby. Example, what do you like to do in your free time after work?
Sentence 2. I enjoy reading books. Meaning, you talk about your interest. Example, I enjoy listening to music.
Sentence 3. Do you play any sports? Meaning, you ask about physical activities. Example, do you play football?
Sentence 4. I am learning photography. Meaning, you talk about a new skill. Example, I am learning cooking.
Sentence 5. Hobbies make life more interesting. Meaning, hobbies add happiness. Example, traveling makes life exciting.
Now, let's practice speaking slowly.
Listen carefully. What do you like to do in your free time? Repeat after me. What do you like to do in your free time? Slow. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books. Repeat. I enjoy reading books. Slow. I enjoy reading books.
I am learning photography. Repeat. I am learning photography. Slow. I am learning photography.
Now test your listening. Listen carefully. I like spending time on my hobbies. Can you repeat?
Next sentence. Hobbies help us feel relaxed. Repeat it.
Another one. I practice my hobby every weekend. Say it again.
What do you enjoy doing after work?
I enjoy reading and playing sports.
That sounds fun.
What about your interests?
I love painting and cycling.
That is great.
Great job, everyone.
You learned how to talk about hobbies in English,
Practice these sentences every day.
and your English will improve quickly.
Alex, do you think hobbies can change a person's lifestyle?
Yes, hobbies can make life more meaningful.
How do they affect daily life?
They give a sense of purpose and joy. Do you think hobbies can become a career?
Yes, many people turn their hobbies into professions.
That sounds exciting.
Have you ever earned money from your hobby?
Not yet, but I would like to try.
That is a good idea.
Do you follow your hobby seriously?
Yes, I take it as a part of my routine.
That shows dedication.
Do you think hobbies improve mental health?
Yes, they reduce stress and bring happiness. Do you set goals related to your hobbies?
Yes, I like improving my skills step by step. Do you get inspired by others?
Yes, I watch people who are skilled.
That helps in learning.
Do hobbies help in social connections?
Yes, we meet people with similar interests. Do you prefer creative hobbies or physical hobbies?
I enjoy both types. Do you think hobbies should be taught in schools?
Yes, it helps students grow better. What do you usually do on weekends?
I spend time on my hobbies at home.
That sounds relaxing.
Do you like spending time in nature?
Yes, it refreshes my mind. Do you use your phone for hobbies?
Yes, I watch learning videos. Do you enjoy hobbies with friends?
Yes, it becomes more fun. Let's learn some more useful sentences. Sentence 9. I spend my free time doing creative activities. Meaning, you talk about productive hobbies.
Sentence 10. My hobby helps me relax after work. Meaning, hobbies reduce stress.
Sentence 11. I like to improve my skills regularly. Meaning, you focus on growth.
Sentence 12. I feel motivated when I follow my passion. Meaning, hobby gives inspiration.
Now, answer this question. What is your favorite hobby?
Next question. How often do you practice your hobby?
Another question. Why do you enjoy your hobby?
I spend my free time doing creative activities. Repeat. Slow. I spend my free time doing creative activities.
I feel motivated when I follow my passion. Repeat. Slow. I feel motivated when I follow my passion.
My hobby helps me relax after work. Repeat. Slow. My hobby helps me relax after work.
Listen carefully. I enjoy learning new skills every day. Repeat.
Next, my hobbies make my life more enjoyable. Repeat.
Last one. I practice my hobby to improve myself. Repeat. What makes your hobby special?
It gives me happiness and peace.
Do you feel proud of your hobby?
Yes, it is a part of my personality.
What do you gain from your hobby?
I gain confidence and creativity.
Do you encourage others to have hobbies?
Yes, everyone should have one.
Amazing work, everyone!
Now you can talk about hobbies in English confidently.
You learned many useful sentences today.
Practice them daily for better results.
Consistency is the key to success.
Your English will improve step by step.
If you found this lesson helpful, support our channel.
More exciting lessons are coming very soon.
Next video will be even more interesting.
Stay connected and keep learning.
See you in the next English conversation.
Great job, everyone.
You learned how to talk about hobbies in English.
Practice these sentences every day.
And your English will improve quickly.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe.
More exciting conversations are coming soon.
See you in the next video.
Keep practicing English every day.